This tag team match is underway. Oh my, an explosive suplex. Elbow to the bridge of the nose. And a wicked clothesline. Did you hear how his leg connected? Telegraph. The superstar capitalizes. There's another great kick. So far, this has been a very competitive tag team match. Oh, man, he got turned inside out. That elbow did some damage. The superstar with a counter out of nowhere. Watch out here. And the ref sees the tag. We're in the feeling out process here. Who's going to get the advantage and maintain control? Nice, well-placed kick to the ribs. And now he's back out on the apron. That suplex was picture perfect. Big kick echoing around the arena. What a match this is going to be. What a tag team match this has been. What's he planning here? Oh no, look at those eyes. Evil thoughts have to be running through his mind. Looks like we're going back inside. This is a sickening assault. Look past the ring at the thousands and thousands of WWE fans in attendance. Each and every one of them are having a great time tonight. And it looks like we could be heading back into the ring. Oh, and these shortcuts just make me so sick. Now, who does a methodical pace benefit, Kate?
Well, whenever the dominating competitor takes his time, it gives everybody a chance to catch their breath. So I don't know.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the other. And again, the opponent sent flying. Big slap to the chest. Launched back into the ring. And he's heading back inside the ring. Hold on, where's he going?
Oh, he's on the move again.
And he was just sent careening into those steel steps. Looks like we're going back inside. Oh, big elbow. To the ring.
He's not too keen on sharing the ring with his opponent.
Again with the chop. And it looks like we could be heading back into the ring. The elbow connects again.
To the chin with the knee.
Outside the ring, one more time.
Out of the ring. Now what's going to happen? Call your friends. Let them know what's going on right now in this awesome match.
Oh, launched back into the ring. These competitors trying to keep their wits about them.
I just can't get over the physicality of this match. This has been brutal. Listen to that chop echo throughout the arena.
I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical.
The superstar may be moments away from being out of this.
These athletes seem to have tried everything in their playbook.
Oh, there's more in their arsenal. I promise you that. I don't know what it is, but they'll find it.
And there they go again.